Hi folks, it's Reed Tobel, Rivers West Auction and Auction Time. We're in Sioux Falls, South Dakota for this 2017 Freightliner with 521,000 miles on a Detroit Series 60 13-speed manual transmission. We're going to give you the walk around here, but this is part of a inventory rotate out the old, bring in some new trucks. These trucks are going to run for about another week over the road. They're going every single day right now. I'll adjust the mileage in the description when they hit the auction block, but don't expect it to go up too much. But do expect to see a little bit of increase in the odometer, okay? A little bit of cosmetic. I mean, you're seeing the chrome come off the back of the mirror there as you work around to the front fender on the driver's side. A little bit of fiberglass issue there. The bumper there on the bottom I just showed you is a little scuffed up, but guys, these trucks are going every day. As you can tell, they're a FedEx power only unit, so mechanically tip-top condition. These trucks have to be up to spec all the time, probably more so than your standard DOT inspection, just to be in spec with their contract. So you can bid it with confidence on these trucks. I don't see any issues. I'm going to point out issues if I do find them, but all of these trucks will be at riverswestauction.com. They're all going to sell on auctiontime.com. Slidable fifth wheel, good rubber on the back. These are Bridgestone tires. Airbags, kennel hitch on the back. You're not going to want to or need to have to worry about brakes because they're up to par. Nice toolbox here on the side. Dual fuel tanks. Make sure you see the video of the engine running. Like Michelin steer tires here. Glass is in good shape. If you want to come and take a look at this truck, guys, let me know. I can schedule that. And it's in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, 2017 Freightliner. A Detroit Series 60 13-speed manual transmission and just over 500,000 miles. Thank you for viewing this Rivers West auction listing.